Freecash payment history shows the record of your completed withdrawals and account transactions, helping you confirm what payments have been processed through your account. By the end, you'll know where to check your Freecash payment history, what details to review, and what steps to take if your records do not match your expectations. The first step is opening your Freecash account and accessing your account dashboard. Look for the section connected to withdrawals, rewards, or transaction activity. This is where you can review your past payment information. Your payment history helps you track what happened after completing tasks and requesting rewards. Instead of relying on memory, you can check the account record and compare it with your own notes or screenshots. The second section is understanding the details inside your payment history. Review the payment amount, transaction status, and any available dates connected to the payment. If you notice a missing or incorrect payment record, collect the information before contacting Freecash support. Include details about the transaction, the related offer or activity, and screenshots that show your account information. A detailed support request gives the team more information to review. A message with only a general description may require additional questions before the issue can be investigated. Keeping your own records is also useful. Save screenshots when you complete offers, request withdrawals, or receive important account updates. These records make it easier to explain a problem if something does not appear correctly. The third section is checking common reasons for payment history issues. First, confirm that you are logged into the correct Freecash account. Activity from another account will not appear in the current account history. Next, review your account notifications and available information. Updates connected to your payment status may already explain what happened. Avoid sending several support tickets about the same payment problem. One complete request with all relevant details is easier to follow and review. To summarize, Freecash payment history helps you track withdrawals, confirm transaction details, and identify problems that may need support. Check your dashboard, compare your records, and keep proof of important account activity. Your next step is to open Freecash and review your payment records before contacting support about a missing transaction. If this guide helped you understand how to check Freecash payment history, like the video and subscribe for more online earning guides.